First time riding the subway in New York?
Yep, and honestly, a little freaked out.
Haha. Welcome to the underground jungle, my friend. Feeling overwhelmed? Totally expected.
So, how do I even survive this?
All right, listen up. Here's the survival guide. First, know your lines. Each colour, different part of the city. Map apps are your best friend.
Okay, lines and maps. Got it.
Second, watch your stuff. Pickpockets are real. Keep your bag zipped. Phone in your pocket.
Seriously? That bad?
It's a city, kid. Always be aware.
Right. Aware.
Next, learn the lingo. Stand clear of the closing doors. That's a warning, not an invitation. And don't be that person blocking the doors. So, be quick. Get out of the way.
Exactly.
Also, rush hour? Avoid it if you can. Cramped, sweaty, and not fun.
Noted. Anything else?
Oh yeah, don't make eye contact unless you want a conversation. And if someone asks for money, a simple "no thank you" works wonders.
Simple and effective. I like it.
Look, the subway's not as scary as it seems. Millions ride it every day. Just be smart, be aware, and you'll be fine.
Okay, smart and aware. Got it. Thanks, man. This is actually super helpful.
Anytime. Now go forth and conquer the concrete canyons.
Here we go. Hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. It really helps. Support my channel.